Hey, what's up, YouTube? I just posted a video about my YFZ 450. Now I'm gonna burp again for somebody that wanted me to repost a video of me burping. All right.
He looks like a midget.
Shut up. What's that?
I think I was laughing too much, so they couldn't hear your burp. Did you hear that?
Oh.
Make a good one. That's gross. Ew. Bye.
Later. Pepsi rules.